Welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the tangents and secants topic. One of the important topic, that is three possibilities of the circles. So in general we have three possibilities, guys. So in general we have three concepts, guys. When we are talking about circle and line, these are three possibilities. Circle and line are alone. Circle meets at two distinct points, and circle meets at one point. So these are the three possibilities. Let's discuss with first one. In case 1, the line PQ and a circle has no point in common, so they do not touch each other. Okay, these two are ideal, guys. They are not meeting at each other. This is case 1. So coming to case 2. In case 2, the line PQ and the circle meets at two distinct points on the line. Okay, so on the circle it is meeting at two distinct points, that is A and B. Okay, those 2 points are called the secant of the circle. Okay, when a line is meeting the circle at two distinct points, that line is called the secant, guys. Okay, when you drag that line to the circumference of circle, that nature comes as tangent. Okay, so that comes in a case 3. So in case 3, the line PQ touches the circle at a unique point, that is A, or we can say that there is one and only one point common to the line and the circle. Okay, here PQ is called the tangent to the circle A. When you drag this circle on the circle, it becomes secant. Okay, when you drag like that to the tip of the circumference, it becomes tangent. Okay, I hope you understand these three concepts. In the next video we are going to cover other concept. Thank you for watching.